Hi, what is your name?
My name is Dr. Kenyon.
What is your favorite holiday and why?
I love Christmas because
Hi, what is your name?
Angel Green.
What is your favorite holiday and why?
Christmas because I get to spend it with
Hi, what is your name?
I'm Miss Bell.
What is your favorite holiday and why?
Christmas because I love.
Hi, what is your name?
My name is Heather Walker.
What is your favorite holiday and why?
My favorite holiday is Thanksgiving because bless you. Thanksgiving because of all the food and the football.
Hi, what is your name?
Mrs. Story.
Hi, Miss Story. What is your favorite holiday and why?
It is Christmas because you are so annoying. Get away, Dylan. No.
Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground.